Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to insert check mark in your Microsoft Excel sheet. Okay, so if you want to insert check mark in Microsoft sheet, this video will show you how to do it. So if you are using Microsoft 365, you will find that in insert option. Just click on the insert and then here you will find the check mark option, but I am not using that Microsoft 365. So what you have to do, you have to just click on the insert and here you will find symbol option. Okay, just click on symbol and again click on the symbol. Now you can insert the check mark here. Now I'm going to show you a second method by which you can easily insert the check mark. Okay, so what is the second way is, here you will see, first here you will see I have made a table budget and actual. Okay, so first I am going to find out the difference between budget and actual, and the number which is in the within the budget will be check mark, and the number which is out of the budget, okay, so there should be a cross mark. So first I am going to find out the difference between this budget and actual. Okay, now I'm going to copy this. Okay, now what you have to do to enter the check mark, here you have to first select and then go to home, select it, then go to home, click on home. Okay, then here you will see conditional formatting, go to icon set and then click on more rules. Okay, then what you have to do, first you have to just select style icon set. Okay, then in icons you have to just click on it and here we'll see cross and check mark, then show icon only, and then here you will see type percentage not, it should be a number, here also a number. Now here you will see when value is 0, when value is 0 or equal to 0, there should be a check mark, and I don't want this mark, so what I have to do, you have to just click on cell. Okay, now when value is less than 0, there should be a check mark. Okay, now click on cross mark. So now like this you can easily enter check mark. Okay, you can also eliminate that cross mark also, just follow that conditional formatting, go to icon set, more rules, and then icon sets, then here you have to click on it, then here should be no cell and then here should be no cell, and then click on ok. Okay, there should be a number, click on ok. So like this you can insert check mark in Microsoft Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.